Guess what? Guess what? It's raining out. Yeah. Raining out right now. There they go. It's raining out. What should we do? It's raining out. Hide from the rain? Yeah. We're gonna all get wet. They don't seem to care. The rain's got them all fired up. Woo! Down they go. All gone. There goes another one. Running from the rain. Running from the rain. Is it raining out? Yeah. Everybody's getting wet in the rain. Here comes the rain. Doesn't bother the little girl any. Getting all wet. I'm getting soaked, so she's got to be drenched. The rain doesn't bother you? Maybe. Think she's gonna book it. Nope, she's sitting there. I don't even know where her mommy went to. Sitting in the rain. Wow, look at you. Where'd you go just now? You are all wet. Yeah. How'd you get all wet? Huh? Oh, you want to hide behind me? Yeah. Oh, you want to go in, huh? You keep hiding under me. Yeah, you're all wet. You're all wet. There you go. You better run and hide. You're crazy. Playing in the rain. What gets into kittens that they love the rain? Huh? Do you guys know that? These are the only two out here. I don't know where everyone else is. Getting all wet. Wow-wee! Yeah, I am literally getting soaked. Whoa, wipe out. slipped on the deck. Ow, 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 ow. You got your claws. She's sitting on my shoulder. Okay. This is crazy. I know. This is craziness. I didn't make it rain. I didn't cause it. There you go. See you later.